I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here. From the north to the south.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here and I'm getting ready. You just get to sit there and watch me do my makeup. I haven't done my makeup in a long time for you guys, so you just sit there and watch what I do. You know, it's really basic. I don't wear that much makeup. I just do like concealer on my face with powder. That's it, because I don't like to look cakey. And if you're wondering why I'm rocking my lips, this lip gloss is popping. Period poo. It's a lip gloss line called Phenomenal Gloss on Instagram. On board the name, make sure you check it out. It's definitely worth it. As you know, I'm addicted to lotion and lip gloss, and I would not steer you in the wrong direction.
Even though when I'm driving with GPS, I go the wrong way.
But boo, I got you, because this is us. We're here. Period poo. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed me doing makeup videos, and also comment down below if you want me to do another makeup video, like detail for detail in products I do and what I do. I feel like I can't speak, because baby, it's like love at first sight. Love, y'all. I know I be creepy with it, but I really do love y'all. So let's try to get this video to 40 likes. That's our goal, 40 likes. I have to be setting goals, because I feel like if I'm back, I need to feel like I'm talking to you. I need like 20 comments. I need like 40 likes. I want to know we're here. And yes, people, y'all noticed stuff before I noticed it. Yes, all my nails is off my hand except for this one, because this one's disrespectful and it refuses to come off. The disrespect, I know. Pooh, I know. So remember, thumbs up, comment down below. Check out the Instagram for the lip gloss. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Once upon a time, there was this girl by the name of Florence who was raised by her granny in Africa. When her granny was alive, her granny taught her, you know, self-love, to be kind, to respect, to obey. And she just felt like the prettiest girl in the world, you know? Then she had to come to America, where when she was in Africa, you know, color didn't matter. People didn't make fun of people like accent and stuff like that. So it was like a whole new setup. She had to learn from scratch. In elementary school, she always used to get picked on. She used to cry to her older sister about getting picked on, and then she just started fighting. To this day, she loves to fight. It's kind of therapeutic. But then she had to teach herself as an adult. You know, I'm beautiful the way I am. You know, I'm a walking catfish, of course, but with me feeling, looking, and being ugly, because everybody have their own preference in life. I might not be the cutest to you, but I can be cute to somebody else. I just decided to embrace it, you know. People ask me all the time, why are you on Instagram? You know, your edge is missing, you shave up your eyebrow, your hair is like 1 inch long, and you're just like acting like that don't matter to you. Because that don't matter to me. You know, I feel like beauty is within, skin deep. So I'm always like uplifting people. I'm always exposing myself to show people, you know, if people want to talk about me, the things I'm posting, it's okay. I will probably just laugh along with you, because 1, it could be funny, or 2, I'm laughing because you're hurt. Not like literally as you're ugly, but you're hurting. People who hurt, it's the one who try to bully people or talk about people because they're trying to steer their attention off them. So imagine, this is the same black gorilla, African booty scratcher gorilla, ugly gorilla, you know, accent gorilla. And years later, I still embrace all of that. Even when I was getting picked on, I decided not to lose my accent. Usually when you sit, you open your mouth and you cross me. You know what I do? I'll cross your mouth, I'll cross your pop. I don't crossing them no more. I will cross you. Somebody gotta get crossed. I will leave your parents. I will stare straight to you. Your local African. I would never lose my accent because this is what I am. This is what my grandma taught me. You know, even growing up, when some of my cousins used to try to like lose their accent. When people come up to me and say, your cousin say they're Jamaican, or your cousin say they're from the islands, how are you from Africa? I say, I don't know about them. I know I'm 100% African. Mom and dad, West Africa, Liberia to be exact, Monrovia, Liberia. Raised by my granny. I don't know if they want to be different, but I'm still the same. I love myself. I embrace myself. It's just me. My name is Florence Mensah the First. I named myself that because I am the first Florence Mensah of my parents. And I hope you can find the beauty within and love yourself and just embrace everything, because life is too short to pretend to be something you're not. When I'm broke, I'm broke. When I have it. I love to help people. Family is big with me. I don't know. I just love being me. And yeah, that's about it. Follow my life and love you guys so much. Thank you all for choosing to watch me. I know I am crazy, but hey, I'm not going to, okay, I'm going to try to change. Okay, it might not happen, but girl, you already know what's up. You know, we're in this forever. Ooh, girl, yes. Look, I got a flat ass head. I'm dead. That's disrespectful. God, why you had to do me like that? Ooh, yeah, that head too flat. I'm dead. Okay, lip gloss come through.